All right, today we have another very interesting matrix question. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and the instruction says we should find the determinant of the matrix Q. All right, to define the determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix, we say that matrix Q is equal to the determinant of the value of that matrix. That's 4, 2 minus 2. We have 3, then we have 1. What does this mean? All right. We always find the cofactors of each of the elements that constitute the first row. So for the first one, we have 3 multiply. All right. If you take the row and the column of the element 3, it will be 2 minus 2. So that's going to be 2 minus 2. All right. Then we have 3, 1. Okay. So the signs will be changing. If this is plus, minus, plus in that order. So we take the next element on the row, the first row, which is going to be 0. So we have the sign here will change to minus, and then if you cross this, you are left with element 4, element 2, then element 5, element 1. The last one is plus 1, this one outside. So you cross this line and cross this column, you're going to have 1 multiplying. So these are the 4 elements remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, we have 2, we have 5, we have 3. Now, in taking the elements and its co-elements, you have to be very careful, because if you miss it, you will have serious problems simplifying. So the next thing we are going to do is, like we did in our previous problem solving, you multiply the diagonals. So that's going to be 3 into, you have 2 times 1, all right, 2 times 1, then minus, so there's going to be minus, okay, 3 times minus, so you have 3 times minus 2. That's the first stage. So the second stage, we have 0. Of course, 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So because 0 is outside and multiplying everything here, the result is going to be 0. Here is going to be 1, all right? So it's plus this 1. 1 multiplied by anything is that thing. So what we have here will be 4 times 3 minus 5 times 2. So we have 4 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2. All right, those are the things we have in the bracket. So if we do this, it's going to be 3 into 2 times 1, that's going to be 2. Then minus 3 times minus this is going to be minus 6. Then we have minus 0, of course. Then we have plus. This times this, that's going to give us 12. Then minus 10, because that's 5 times 2. So the result here is going to be 8. So 8 times 3, that's going to be 24 minus 0. Then this minus this, that's going to be plus 2. If you do everything, the determinant of this matrix Q is equal to 24 plus 2. That's going to give us 26. And that brings us to the end of determining the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix.